Hi everybody, Lauren asked about setting up your voicemail so that it will go to your email. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It is something you do have to do through your MiTel Connect program, which is on your computer, so you do have to do this from your computer. But if you go over to your, I guess, column or tab or whatever you call this here, and where it says Connect here, if you hit the drop down arrow, and then you go down to Settings, it's going to open up a new box, and there's a few settings that you can check to do here. What you are going to want to do is go to Notifications, and then right here where it says Voicemail, send email notification about incoming voicemails to this email address. And then you can also attach the voicemail as a WAV file, and you can mark it as being heard. Now, if you do that, it goes to your email, it gets marked right away even though you haven't listened to it. So depending on what you want to do, I will probably just keep mine like this, like attach a voicemail as a WAV file. Once you do that, if someone leaves a voicemail for you, you're all set. I don't believe there was a save thing. I think it just remembers. Let me look and see to double check. I guess I haven't set mine up before. Yeah, you're good to go once you do that. Alright, thanks guys.